Hello there, how you doing? I'm away from home at the moment, staying around my friend's place, so I'm cooking here. So not in the usual kitchen. We've got here Chinese style pork and vegetable stir fry. It's really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook With. Okay, so I've got my wok here, and in there I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you want. We're going to drop in our pork. The pork I'm using today is pork shoulder. You could use a different cut if you want. If you're going to use belly pork, you might need to render it out a little bit because you'll get quite a bit of fat from that. To that we're going to add a tablespoon or about 4 cloves of garlic. If you wanted, add some ginger and a cup of sliced onion. So we're on quite a high heat and we're going to stir this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. About 5 minutes in, looking fab. We're now going to get some soy in there. I've got a dark soy today. I'm going to add, that's about 2 tablespoons. We're going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding salt yet because we're going to be adding some oyster sauce, and the soy is also quite salty. And a little bit of water. And then just cook this for another 5 minutes or so. We just want to ensure that this pork is cooked really nicely. So you can see in that time the liquid has reduced down as it's steaming out. Still got a little bit in there, which is beautiful. Now, veg, it's up to you what veg you're going to use. Today I'm going to use some mange tout and some bell peppers. Mushrooms, I mean there's just a couple of mushrooms there. This is quite a small wok, by the way, it's not that big. And then, optional, I'm going to go for some nice red chili there. That chili's not crazy hot, but we'll give it a lovely flavour. But yeah, carrots, zucchini, celery. There's so many other things you can put in here. I'm going to stir fry this around for another 4 minutes on this nice above medium heat. We're nearly there. It's beautiful, very easy and tasty. So I like a nice crunch on my vegetables. You might want to do your veg a little bit more. Okay, oyster sauce time. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Get that in there just at the end. That's why I'm not adding salt. That's quite salty. Soy is salty, but you can adjust that as you want. I've got some green onions here, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them, chunky cut. Off goes the heat. We're going to stir that in. That's a beauty. Okay, there you go. Really simple pork vegetable Chinese style. Really, really tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.